So you're there scrolling through short form content and you stumble upon the OIA Cat. One day I thought and said, I could build that. I could make it look a little desk art or something like that. So in this video, I'll be trying to make it. The only problem is, when it comes to mechanical stuff, I am not great at it. So this will be a challenge. Also, I'm not good at painting stuff, but that's a later issue. So this is an overview of what I'm doing. So I just did a plain rectangle prism to store all the motors and stuff like that. So there is the cat that is standing, because it's going to be, the camera's going to be viewed from the front, like in the meme, and then the one in the back is going to be the one that's spinning. So I'm going to be using 2 motors to power it. This one, the cat will move like this. And then this servo motor is going to be moving it up and down. And then I have a stepper motor to spin it. So after I 3D modeled, I spent hours and hours 3D printing. And now we get to here. All right, now I got all the prints ready. This is just the base, and then this is just mechanical parts. And this is the nervous part. Oh, I'm really nervous. I got to paint the fine details of a cat on this one. Well, at least this one is the one spinning, so it doesn't have to be super accurate since it's kind of blurry when it spins. This is the one where I'm really just needing to paint it where it's like facing like that. Everything else doesn't really need to matter on detail. Honestly, I think I might cut off the tail. I'm not sure yet. And also, yeah, the rod broke off, but I'll just glue that back on because I don't want to reprint it. So, wish me luck. I'm probably gonna do a time lapse. You see me struggling. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. In a bit, you'll see the special cameo. My cat Alice appears as she judged me really hard. So after a good bit of painting, I got this. Okay, I never said I was an artist, because I think if it's from far away and you squint your eyes just a little bit, you can somewhat resemble it. I think this is the best I'm gonna be able to do. I know it's so bad. You can roast me in the comments. It's so bad. But hey, you're only gonna be seeing it for like a second, and it's gonna go down in this angle, because yeah, it doesn't have anything else. All right, and then I think this one came out okay. I mean, it spins. You're not really. It's just a black blob for the most part, and I just painted the rod green and this green as well. Now we'll start on assembling everything. All right, a check-in with the electronics and movement. I somewhat got it to work, but it's like on turbo mode. It just goes crazy. So I'm gonna have to slow down the speed. So that's what I'm working on. Okay, so update. Instead of using a DC motor, I decided to use a stepper motor to control the speed a little bit better. If it's in the same way, see the motor down there, well not really, but I'm just using this stepper motor that I'm going to spin on the screen instead of the DC motor to control the speed. Yeah, here we go. It's so cursed. OIA